The famous environmentalist John Muir once said, "The world is big, and I want to have a good look at it before it gets dark." I have managed to visit 43 states, and in my view, the Teton Range is as beautiful a place as I've ever seen. John Muir had great company in his love for the outdoors because it was Einstein that said, "Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better." I once heard a saying about the West that goes something like this. Historically, people move west far more than east. People go east only when they're invited, when opportunity knocks. People go west when all bets are off, a reputation in ruins, a love gone wrong. When they need to save their sorry souls, folks head for the frontier. While clearly beautiful, visiting Jackson Hole did make me think of a quote from Charles Russell. "A pioneer is a man who turned all the grass upside down, strung barbed wire over the dust that was left, poisoned the water, cut down the trees, killed the Indian that owned the land, and then called it progress." Teton County is a bit unique in that only 3% of the land is privately owned, and this has made it a popular respite with the wealthy seeking to get away. As an environmentalist, John Muir was well ahead of his time. He once said, "Thousands of tired, nerve-shaken, over-civilized people are beginning to find out that going to the mountains is going home, that wilderness is a necessity, and that mountain parks and reservations are useful not only as fountains of timber and irrigating rivers, but as fountains of life." Jackson Hole is breathtakingly beautiful, although I must say that, as James McBride noted, every time I see something about the Wild West, I'm reminded that our version of history may not be what really happened. Let's close this video out just as we began, with the John Muir quote. "Everybody needs beauty as well as bread, places to play in and pray in, where nature may heal and cheer and give strength to the body and soul alike." Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please think about subscribing. Think about leaving a comment down below. I make regular videos, and I'll see you again real soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.